In this guide, I'm going to show you how to redeem Google Play gift card from another country simple. Now, first things first, what you're going to want to do is open up the Google Play Store and tap on your profile icon up in the top right. Then go ahead and select payments and subscriptions and hit redeem code. Now, if you receive a message saying that the code can only be used in another country, you're going to need to be physically located in that country with a matching Google Play country and payment profile. Otherwise, you're going to have to contact the retailer about a refund or exchange, or reach out to Google Play support if you believe the card was incorrectly restricted, because Google Play gift cards are region locked, which means it has to be redeemed in the exact same country and currency where it was purchased. If you use a VPN or temporary change your billing address, that's not going to bypass the restriction. There's not really a real fix unless you just get a refund. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.